So in this video, I am cooking some mashed potato. What do you have mashed potato with? These mashed potato is delicious. So here is the potato that I am going to use. I peel them, wash them, and boil them with a little salt. Yes. So I am going to put some coconut milk on the fire to boil. I'm sorry I didn't show you that in this video, but the coconut milk is on the fire boiling, and I am just here doing a voiceover explaining what I have done. Okay, so this is butter, and I'm going to use some butter as well. So watch this now. This potato is boiled and I'm going to strain it off and then pour it on the butter so the butter could just melt away. Yes, I'm going to get my crush, no, this thing, what do you call it? Crusher, whatever. I don't know what they call it. And I'm going to crush my potato. Crush it and make the butter melt. Yes. Guys, tell me how you do your mashed potato, but I can tell you this potato is delicious. Yes, very, very delicious. So now I'm going to add some of the coconut milk, and here it is. Put it on the fire to boil a whole can of coconut milk, and let me tell you, you see how much potato that was. I have it with barbecue chicken, you guys. Whew. Barbecue wings. So I'm gonna add some more because I don't want it to be dry. I want it to be very, fluffy. You saw that earlier in the front of the video. Yes, I want it to look like that. So I'm gonna crush until I can't crush anymore. And basically, that is it. Like, there's not much to do with this mashed potato, but boil it, peel it, wash it, boil it, add butter and coconut milk. If you ever try this, let me know in the comment section, and let me know how you make your mashed potato. What you put in your mashed potato as liquid to give it that moisture. Well, hope you enjoyed this video, and that's it. This is my dinner, you guys. Yes, that's my dinner. Barbecue wings with a little oxtail, a tubs of rice, and some mashed potato. Adios. So something I want to tell you. My daughter said to me, "Mommy, you have to stop mixing up the food. You have to separate them when you're cooking." So you're gonna just see a bunch of short videos, but I do it the same day. Because I did oxtail, I'm gonna post the oxtail video different. I did mashed potato. I did the vegetable, but I didn't do a video with the vegetable. Everybody know how to make vegetable. So, and I did what did I did? The rice and beans. So I did the barbecue wings, rice and beans, oxtail, mashed potato, and vegetable. And that was for New Year's dinner. Yes. I didn't cook in Christmas because my family wasn't there. I cooked, but just one pot, like some, what do you call that now? Cow foot. That's what I had for Christmas Day because I was the only one home. So I didn't bother to. But my daughter literally said, "Mommy, you know, if I'm going to look up something on YouTube, I don't want to see 5 different dish that you're cooking. I just want to get to the oxtail. So if you're going to cook the oxtail, please do the video separately." So I decided to start doing that. Instead, I show you how I cook 5 different pots. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comment section below. Um, if you rather me do that too, because she is the viewers, and she said when she go on YouTube, she just go and look for what if she wants to cook something that she don't know how to cook it. She just want to see a video with just that. She don't want to have to deal with 5 different meals because she's going to get confused, and it makes sense. You know, it really do make sense. So no more long videos for me, where I'm cooking 5 different pots. That are for people who want to learn to go open one restaurant, not a little own person. So I gotta cater for the people them that just want a little pot. But anyways, guys, I eat my belly full, and I said that in my oxtail video because I cook all 3 of them. So I'm editing them right now, and I'm going to complete all of them tonight. Okay. So see you guys in the next one. Please remember to hit that like button and let me know, what do you want me to cook next? Peace out. Bye, guys. Guys, something else I wanted to share with you. It dawned on me. It's New Year, and 2025. And what you did not accomplish last year, please write it down in a book, and just each time you accomplish that, write at least 100 things that you'd want to accomplish. It might not be now, but every time you work hard towards it, just tick it off. Just use one, put a tick there, and so you know that is accomplished. So it just dawned on me, like, to just tell you guys, like, visualize what you want to get done in your life, and focus on it. It just come to me to share that with you, and I want to share it with you. Get a little book and all the things that you want to write. So I wanted to, like, to do some stuff, and I'm going to share some things with you over by Donna Marie, because this is really not, this is a cooking channel, not a blogging channel. So I want to try stay focused more on the cooking over here. So if you don't follow me on Donna Marie page, please do, because I'm going to share things over there with you guys, things that I've done, things that I want to do, things that I look forward to doing, and I can share those with you. So if you need, little advice on something that I already done, you can always feel free to reach out to me and ask me how I did it. You know what I mean? So follow me, one Donna Marie on my other YouTube page, and you will see things that I have done. And over there, I blog over there. So a lot of you might not know that channel, but go over there and go subscribe to my YouTube, one Donna Marie. Okay. If you put in Donna Marie, you might not find me, because there is many Donna Marie. But if you put in one Donna Marie, you will find it. I am here watching myself on the TV in front of me, and it's hilarious. Bye, guys. You know what? I miss you guys. I really do miss you guys. Honestly, I miss you guys, because I used to do my live over here, and I used to blog, and me and you guys used to communicate, and I don't have that anymore. But I'm busy working on stuff. So, but I'll see you guys. Take care again. Bye.